Hi, good afternoon. This is Ravana from Small Steps Trader. In this video, we will see the share market is good or bad, whether it is gambling or not. So that's what we're going to see here. Many people describe share market as differently, like how blind people by touching the elephant say different thing. Say somebody say it is a snake, somebody say it is a very big tree, somebody it is just a wall. Similarly, many people describe differently, and majority people say it is a gambling. So in this video, we will see whether it is gambling or not, whether it is good or bad. So I'm going to just to share my opinion. I'm not going to insist my opinion here. So by saying this, you will get a very good clarification on share market. So here you can see the person. He is Mr. Warren Buffett, one of the top 10 richest person in the world. He earned all the wealth from the share market. He started investing at the age of 13 in the share market. He is Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Many people called him as a Indian Warren Buffett. He is a chartered accountant. After did his CA, he entered in the share market with just 5,000 rupees. At the time of he passes away, his net worth is around 55,000 crore. So all the money he earned from the share market. He is Mr. P.R. Sundar. Basically, he was a maths teacher. Last 15 years ago, he resigned and came into share market. Now, I estimate per day as an average, he is earning 1 lakh from the share market. So why I am saying all this is the potential of the share market. But the reality is not everyone able to make money. 90% of the people losing their money in the share market. Only 10% of people making the profit. We will see detailing in the subsequent slides. I used to take investor awareness program, and regularly I give guest lectures at colleges. I used to ask the audience one question. Suppose a person wanted to start a textile business. He doesn't know anything about the textile business, but he wanted to start. How their approach would be, how they will start, how you will start. So they answer differently. Sir, I will learn the tailoring. I'll go for the training for 2 or 3 months. Then I will start. And somebody say, I will go to the job some couple of months. I will learn the industry. Then I will start. So no one say that because I have the money, I will start the business. First, they learn and they will analyze where the machinery can be purchased, where and all the raw material they can procure, where is the material to sell, where is the market. So all this they will analyze and they will say that. Then they will starting the business. So after getting the training, after analyzing the market, they're starting the business. They're running it for 1 year. Then I will ask them. Suppose after the 1 year you couldn't able to make the profit. Whatever the profit comes, it goes as the expense. You couldn't be able to make a net profit. So you decided to wind up the business. If I am asking why you are winding up the business, what is your answer? They say, I unable to make the profit, so I am winding up. But the same business doing other people, they are making the profit. Yes, sir, but I couldn't make. There is some problem within me. I couldn't be able to make the profit. Then I will ask, does the industry is bad? No, the industry is good, but I couldn't be able to succeed. So this is the answer. So the notable point here is after they're undergone a training for 2 or 3 months by paying for the training and after analyzing the market, after running the business for 1 year, they will say for their failure, business is good, but I am not capable to make the money or I am not able to succeed the business. So the problem something is within them. That's what they say. But if you come to the share market, because they have money and wanted more money, they come to the share market. They are seeing that as a market making platform. But if it comes to the business, they say it's not there. In their mind, the money doesn't come. Then in their mind, how we make the success. To make the success, what all we have to do. So that comes to their mind. But if you come to the share market, by default, many people think about the money. They doesn't learn the market because of they having some money. Because of they having some capital. They wanted more money. They'll come to the share market. Because of this mindset only, many people losing their money in share market. Until unless they change their mindset, share market is not a money making platform. It is a platform as a business. It is a platform as a trade. So if that comes in their mind, only they can start making the money. Otherwise, it's purely like a gambling. They will lose their money. So first, they have to change their mindset. So I said 90% people making the loss, only 10% of people making the profit. Here, the 90% of people almost they are all the traders. So here we have to understand trader is different, investor is different. Trading is different, investment is different. So trading is something like that. If I am buying a share, I am selling it in the same day or the next day or after a week or 10 days, after 1 or 2 months. All these are trading. The investment is if I am buying the share, I am holding it for at least a 1 year, then I am selling, that is investment. So that is the difference. But the person who are losing their money, the 90% of people are traders. They are not the investors. They are as a, they do market as a trading and they are as a traders. Recently, SEBI disclosed a report. So in which they say this report. See this point. 90%, almost 18, 90% is people making the loss. Only 10% people making the profit. So these traders almost they do trade on the F&O segment. Average they make the loss per year is 1.1 lakh. So this is the SEBI report. So this is what actually happening in share market as well. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Warren Buffett, Pearson. So they all they see the share market as a business. They learn the market and they are doing it as a business. So for them, share market is a tool. It is not the platform as a gambling. For them, it is a tool to make the money. So they buy the shares and they make the profit. So all these are very big companies listed in the share market. So all these companies at their initial stage, they raise the capital from the share market. If the share market is not there, they couldn't able to make raise their capital, and they establish like what they are today. So capital market is a place to raise the capital for them. So they become a very big company and contributing good to their economy. So far we see as a trader or investor perspective, we see the career seeker for student perspective. If you see go to the Naukri, just type a capital market and search, there are plenty of job. I take this data from on 3rd January. You see 18,000 plus jobs. So those who are seeking a career or yet to start the career, capital market has a very good opportunity. There are a lot of career opportunities. By hearing or by thinking Ravana, many people they think that he's a lust person. Other than that, they doesn't nothing is comes to their mind. See, the Ravana is a great devotee of Lord Shiva. Many people doesn't know. He's a great musician. He's a great warrior. He's a great politician. He's a great scholar. He's not an ordinary Rakshas, he's a Brahma Rakshas. He's a great poet. So many people doesn't know all this greatness, but only they see and they know about only his less. Similarly, many people doesn't know the importance of the capital market. So many people say it is a gambling. Just now we saw many companies nowadays, the big companies contributing to the economy. At initial stage, they raise the capital from the share market, capital market. And many people doing this as a full-time business and doing as a part-time business. As a patient, many people doing in the share market. We can do the investment instead of saving completely saving in FD. We can a portion we can do as an investment. And just now we saw there are plenty of job opportunities. So there are many things in share market, but many people look only this as a gambling. From the student perspective, the person who are studying commerce, definitely they have some lessons about the share market. The person, any person doing a MBA or did a MBA as a finance specialization, they might have studied at least three papers in their third semester. So all the three papers relate to the share market. So the main question here is, if the share market is gambling, is the college kept gambling as a lesson? The university kept gambling as a subject? So this they have to ask themselves. How the many people lost their money in the share market and why they are saying a share market as a gambling. For example, a person buying a share for 100 rupees. He may think that the share may go. Yes, after buying, if it is going to 105, he is in the profit of 5%. If we keep the money in the fixed deposit, he will get only 3.5% or 4%. But here, he is saying as a 5% profit. But he won't book the profit. He won't realize that profit. He still wait, the share may go. Yes, for example, it's going to 110 rupees. Now he is in 10% profit. In fact, only 3.5%, but he is seeing a 10% profit. Still, he won't realize that profit. He still wait, he let it go for further. It goes to 10, 15, 115. He won't sell because of his greed. Let it go further. But the market turns, it comes down to 110. Then he realized that, oh, I should have sell it 150. Okay, next time if it will come to 150, I will sell it and wait. But what happens? Market turns down and the prices comes down to 100. The price which he bought. Then he feel I should have sell at least 110. Okay, next time if not 110, if comes 107 or 108, I will sell it. But market comes further down, it comes to 90 rupees. You will get a fear. Next time if it comes to 100 with no loss and no gain, you will exit from the share. But what happened? It comes down to 80. You will get frightened with the market and feel that I can't able to bear further. If it comes to 90, I will sell it. No, it comes down to 70. With full of fear, he will sell it at 70, which he bought at 100 and sell it at 70. That is minus 30% loss. Here, the 15 percentage profit he doesn't sell, but now he is selling minus 30 percentage, loss 30 percentage he is selling because of fear. All the decision is his own decision. He bought at 100, it is his own decision. He didn't sell at 150, his own decision. Now he sold it at 70, 30% loss, it is his own decision. No one insisted him. But after making those, what he say? Market is gambling. He doesn't say that because of my greed, because of my mistake, I didn't sell it. He won't say that. He will put the fault on market and saying market is a gambling. This is how the many people doing at the share market and saying it's a gambling. So those who are not able to take the risk, they are not capable to take the risk. It is best to invest in FD and gold. Those who able to take the risk, those who able to are ready to learn the market, only share market suits them. It is like fishing at sea. So share market is not everyone's cup of tea. If they are not able to take the risk, they are not capable to take the risk, they should not invest in share market. So at our um, childhood age, we'll go to learn the swimming. Many times the water goes on eyes, ears, and nose. After this struggle, we only will learn the swim. Similarly, cycling. Many times he fell down and got injured. So nothing can able to learn without any pain. So with the pain only, one able to learn anything. And many people say that it is a gambling, share market. No. So roulette or rummy is a game of chance. This is gambling. It is a game of chance. But share market is nothing like that. Like chess. Chess is a game of skill. You should know what are the coin moves and how it moves, and you know your own strategy, and you should know the opponent's strategy, and accordingly have to play. So all these are the skills. It's not a chance, it's all a skill. Similarly, in the share market, there is a fundamental analysis and there is a technical analysis to gauge the market. So this all like a art. The share market is a game of skill. It is not a game of chance. So game of chance is a rummy and roulette. These are the gambling, but not this one. But again, I am saying this is my opinion. This is my experience. The share market is like life. So if you use it properly, it's like a tool. How we cut the vegetable. The same knife, if you're using it to cut the vegetable, it is a tool. If the same knife you're using to kill somebody, it becomes a weapon. So the knife is a knife. How you use it, that's that decides whether it is a tool or knife, tool or weapon. Similarly, if the share market, if you learn the market, if you gain the knowledge, if you undergone the training and get some experience and expertise, then it is a place you can make the money. And there is an important thing also, trading psychology. So all these are 20 percentage weightage, you can say. But trading psychology is a 80 percentage weight. But many people doesn't know the trading psychology. They are not even aware of it. Then how come they win? Definitely they will lose their money. So to my opinion, share market is the very hardest to place to make the money. At the same time, share market is the easiest to place to make the money. It is a contradicting statement, but that is the reality. one may say there are a lot of manipulation happening in the share market, a lot of the company doing fraudulence, and they cheating us. From our childhood, we are seeing the police station. Is that crime is not happening in our society? There are crimes keep on happening. Police keep on trying to reduce it and catch all of them. Similarly, in share market, there are companies and there are people manipulates and do some malfunctions. There is a SEBI and exchange rules and regulation to identify and punish them. So similarly, we don't say that in society crimes are happening, so it is not the place to live. We are not making suicide. We are living in the same society, and we are keep ourselves distance from the danger, and we are living. Similarly, in the share market also, we have to be aware of it, and we have to do that. Many people think that share market is gambling. That's why I'm investing in mutual fund or life insurance. That is wrong. If you don't have time, if you are interested in share market, you don't have time. For that reason, I'm investing in mutual fund. That is okay. But it is not that share market is gambling. That is why I'm investing in mutual fund. It is not wrong. It is wrong because whatever the money we are investing in mutual fund, it comes to the share market. And there are huge amount of money from the life insurance come to the share market. It is like if we giving the knife to others to kill, that also a wrong thing. If using the knife, we directly killing other people, that also a wrong thing. Like that, if the share market, we have to do ourselves. So the opinion is what you're seeing or what you're hearing about the share market is wrong. What you are directly experiencing from the share market, only that is true. You may think what is to you the share market. To me, it is a full-time business. It's my passion. I'm doing a lot of investment in share market, so it's an investment. I'm taking the training. I'm giving those lectures, and I'm taking invest awareness programs. It is a training platform to me. I was earlier working in share market companies, so that time I do it as a part-time business. So to me, this is all this thing for me. So in one of my earlier video, I said savings is wrong. Why? So you have to do investing in share market. I still told that in the video. You see that video. In subsequent video, how we learn the market or how we equip ourselves to make a success in share market. We will see in the subsequent videos. This I given in my native Tamil language because I couldn't able to get exact translation the way what I wrote it in Tamil. The meaning is whatever the money you deployed in share market, it may go away. The money which you are not deployed, that also may go away. The person who deployed the money himself may pass away. Decision is yours, research is yours, take care of yourself. That is the meaning of this. So at last, my opinion is share market is like a mirror. If you are gambler, knowingly or unknowingly, if your approach is gambling, the market is gambling. Your mindset is business. Your approach is a business. Share market is a business. So whatever your views, whatever your approach, it reflects the market is just simply reflects. That's it. So all these are my opinion, and you conclude yourself now. What you feel about the share market? That is the market. So with this, I wind up this video. You will see in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.